remind me, what was the model for the baseband signal? What was the model for the transmitted signal, that is the passband signal? Can you someone remind me what was the signal model? That is ST equals ST equals
of t is equal to b of
ST equals
b of t
a bit louder please.
is equal to sb of t into
SB of t into e power e raised to
j2 pi
j2 pi FCT. Thank you very much. Got the answers. Thank you very much. Let me just try to go to someone else, try to start interacting and try to see if they're able to understand GIT. Let me go back to GIT. GIT, GC. GEC students at GEC Tamil Nadu, are you able to hear me? Hear and see me? GEC Tamil Nadu, are you able to hear me? Okay, there seem to be some audio problems. Let me just quickly go to RVC, RV College of Engineering. Are you able to hear me? You're able to hear me? Were you there in the last lecture? Hello? Anyone was there in the last lecture? PSG College of PSG College Technology, are you able to hear me?
Sir,
PSG, last time we were there, some of you were there in the last lecture.
yes,
Can someone tell me what is the system model? You can see what I've written on the board, right? Can someone tell me what is the model for the received signal?
so YRT equal to summation I equal to element I 1 to I equal to 1 to elements 1 AI S of t
Slowly,
minus
please.
tau
Y of t equals
summation
summation
I goes from 1 to L minus 1
I goes from 1 to L minus 1
AI
AI
S of
S of
t minus tau t minus tau
S of t minus tau I. Yes, after that.
into e power j2 pi
Okay, I think let me write it a little more. This is SBT of tau I into e power. This is I'm writing it for the baseband system model. What is the baseband signal? YB of t. That is what I'm asking.
Okay, sir. E power minus j2 pi SC tau
E power minus j 2 pi.
FC into tau.
And remember, we use the narrow band approximation. What is the simplification after using the narrow band approximation?
SB of t minus tau I becomes SB of t set. So that we can
Exactly.
take
SB of t minus tau I is approximately equal to SB of t. So we said what is the received baseband signal? YB of t equal to
summation I equal to 0 to L minus 1.
summation I equal to 0 to L minus 1 AI
e power
minus j
2 pi fc into tau
fc tau I times
I
SB
SB of
of, very good, thank you, what is your name?
Hemachandran.
Thank you, what did you say? Hemant.
Hemachandran.
Hemachandran, thank you very much, thank you. So everyone, hopefully everyone can see it. Basically, let me write it again clearly once. What I'm saying is the baseband system model, I think everyone remembers from the last lecture, what we said is for a narrowband signal, the received wireless signal YB of t can be expressed as SB of t, that is the transmitted signal, times summation I equal to 0 to L minus 1 AI e to the power of minus j 2 pi fc tau I, and this quantity summation of AI e to the power of minus j 2 pi fc tau I, this is the known as H, which is also the fading coefficient. Why is this the fading coefficient? Remember we talked about this. This is the fading coefficient because depending on the attenuations AI and depending on the delays tau I, these different phase factors and attenuations end up randomly. If they add up constructively, then they can yield a amplify the signal. If they add destructively, right, remember last time we saw an example, I don't know if everyone remembers, last time we saw an example where A0 equals A1 equals 1, tau naught equal to 0, and if beta 1 equal to half, then the received signal amplitude is 0. If beta tau 1 equal to 1, then the received signal amplitude is 2. So depending on these phases, depending on the amplitudes which are random in nature, they can add up either constructively or they can add up destructively, and depending on that you have the received signal strength. So the received signal strength is varying as a function of these attenuations and a function of these phases. Therefore this is known as the fading coefficient. In fact, this is the channel fading coefficient. Hello? No? So therefore this is the channel fading coefficient, right? So now let me go on to a little bit more, talk a little bit more about the modeling of the channel fading coefficient. So what I want to do is, see, we have already said that these different attenuations and these different phases, these are random in nature. So let me write this channel coefficient. So this channel fading coefficient is H equals, see, H is AI e power minus j 2 pi fc tau I, which is summation I equal to 0 AI cosine 2 pi fc tau I minus summation I equal to 0 to L minus 1 AI sine 2 pi fc tau I. Right, so this is the, I can write this as, so I can write this as AI cosine 2 pi fc tau I minus AI sine 2 pi fc tau I summation. And this AI cosine 2 pi fc tau I am going to denote this by x And this ai sine minus ai sine 2 pi fc tau I am going to denote by y. So net I have h equal to x plus j times y. So this is minus j times. So what I have is the fading coefficient h is equal to x plus jy. Let me quickly go to some other college, try to see if they can follow what I am trying to say. Raisoni College of Engineering, are you able to follow what I am saying in terms of the fading coefficient? H fading coefficient I have
Yes, sir.
represented as x plus jy. Are you able to follow it?
Yes, sir.
What is x? X is summation ai cosine 2 pi fc tau I. And what is y? Y is summation of minus
Sine of-
summation ai sine 2 pi fc tau I. Right?
Tau I.
Fine. Your
Yes, sir.
first year, final year students or postgraduate students?
UG student, sir.
UG student. Okay, very good. Now see, we have to model, see we have said these coefficients AIs and this delays tau I are random in nature, right? So we have to model them as random variables. Everyone following what I am saying? Because these are, depending on the wireless scenario, these different attenuations and these different gains are multipath attenuations and delays are random in nature. So we have to basically model them using random variables. Are you familiar with random variables?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. So now random variables, now look at this, each x and each y are the sum large number of random quantities, because each ai, each tau I is random, each x is summation ai cosine 2 pi fc tau I, each y is summation ai sine 2 pi fc tau I. Therefore, each x and y are basically sum of a large number of random variables. Such random variables can be modeled using the Gaussian random variable. So I am going to model x comma y. Hopefully you can all see what I am writing. X comma y as Gaussian or normal random variables. Gaussian or normal . Everyone can see what I am writing. X and y are going to be modeled as Gaussian random variables. Now if x and y are Gaussian, now let me go on to talk a little bit about the basics of random variables, right? What are the basics of Gaussian random variables? Let me talk a little bit about them. So Raisoni College of Engineering, are you familiar with Gaussian random variable? Raisoni, are you familiar with Gaussian random variable?
No, sir.
I am able, huh?
No, sir.
Normal random variable, have you heard about Gaussian noise?
Yes, sir.
Gaussian noise, are you familiar with the Gaussian distribution or something of that sort? Has it been explained to you in any class?
Yes, we are familiar with Gaussian noise.
You are familiar with Gaussian noise. Do you know what is the Gaussian distribution of a random variable? So let me talk about this thing. If x, let me go to the, everyone can see what I am writing?
Yes, sir.
So if x is a Gaussian random variable, with mean 0 and let me not say mean 0, let me say mean mu and variance sigma square. What is the distribution of x? Can anyone tell me what is the distribution of x? Any of you, do you know the distribution of x? What is the if I want to write the distribution PD or probability density function f of x, can someone tell me what is the probability density function f of x of x? Can someone tell me what is the probability density function?
No, sir.
No one is familiar? Okay, let me try to go to see if someone else is familiar with the probability density function. Any other college? GC, GCK, GCT. GCT, which college is this?
Government College of Technology, Coimbatore.
Coimbatore, very good, very good. Sorry, I have interacted with you something I think. Hello, how are you?
Fine, sir.
So students here, are they familiar with Gaussian distribution? Can someone tell me what is the distribution, Gaussian distribution?
Start with 1 by sigma root 2 pi
1 by
sigma square root of
square root of
sigma
not sigma, there is 2 pi
2 pi 1 by root
pi 2 pi. Yeah, go ahead please. Yeah, go ahead. I think you are saying correct only. Go ahead please. I cannot hear you.
1 by sigma square root of 2 pi.
1 by sigma. Okay, you are right saying 1 by. I am going to write it inside the square root. I am going to write it as 2 pi sigma square. Is that fine? I can write it?
E power
Into times e power
minus
minus
mu minus x
uh,
minus mu by
x minus mu. There is a square, x minus u square
x minus mu by sigma the whole square divided by sigma e power plus of x minus mu by sigma the whole square.
No, it cannot be plus of x minus mu square. If it is plus minus x minus mu square, then it will go to infinity, right? Can it be plus, or is it minus x minus mu square or plus x minus mu square?
Minus, okay.
Minus, okay, divided by
Sigma the whole square.
Divided
Sigma
by?
square. Sigma square.
2 sigma square. 2 sigma square. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Looks like there are some other colleges also that are prompting me. I think everyone knows the Gaussian distribution. Thank you. BMS College of Engineering, I think BT, KIT, both of them are prompting me. Please respond on chat. I think you are responding with this thing, Gaussian distribution. Thank you. I already got it. So this is the Gaussian distribution, right? Alright. So this is f of x of x. This is the Gaussian distribution. Now, if I want to set x as a Gaussian random variable, that is the real part, as mean 0 variance sigma square equals variance equals r. Can someone tell me now what is the distribution? If mean equals 0, variance equal to half, what is the distribution? Can someone tell me? Government College of Technology, Coimbatore. GCT only, right? Coimbatore?
Yes, sir. 1 by
Can someone
square
tell me 1 by square root of
pi
1 by square root of
pi
pi
e power minus of x minus mu
minus of,
x minus mu the whole square
yeah, but x mu is 0.
x square
X square
divided by 1 by 2 e power minus 2x square.
Calculate carefully.
Yes. E power minus 2x square.
No, where is the 2 coming from? Divided by 2 sigma square. Sigma square equals half.
2 into 1 by 4 divided by. So totally
Please pay
1 by
attention
2.
carefully. Sigma square equals half. That is what I am saying.
Yes. Oh, okay. Then e power minus x square only.
E power minus x square. Very good. Thank you very much. That is the answer. That is 1 over square root of pi e power minus x square. Hopefully everyone can see it. 1 over square root of pi e power minus x square. Let me write it clearly again. 1 over square root of pi e power minus x square. This is the Gaussian distribution of mean 0, variance half. What is the meaning of this Gaussian distribution? Can someone tell me how does it look? GCT college, can someone tell me, or maybe let me interact with someone else, maybe slightly. Thank you very much. I got the answer from you. Let me just try to interact with BTKIT. BTKIT, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can.
BTKIT, where is this person? Sorry, I am familiar with someone. He is not here today. I don't forget his name. Bipin Tripathi, right?
Yes, sir.
I am. There is someone who has to IIT Kanpur also. Huh?
I don't know.
Okay, let me ask you this question. Have you been following what I have been writing so far? That is Gaussian distribution.
Yes, sir, I am wrong.
Can you tell me a little more about the Gaussian distribution? What is the shape of the Gaussian distribution? How does it look like?
So I think it's bell-shaped with symmetrical about
It is a
the
bell-shaped curve, correct? Everyone can see this. This is a bell-shaped curve. It is symmetric about the mean. Right? Symmetric about the mean mu. And it has, what is the spread related to? I mean, how thick it is, what is it related to? It is related to
Y.
it is related to the variance, right? Sigma square. Right, it is bell-shaped. PSG College of Technology, I am getting the answer. It is centered about 0. Getting the answer. Correct. Thank you. I got it. PSG College. Okay, so it's a bell-shaped curve which is centered about the mean mu and its variance is sigma square, right? Which means it's spread, which means as the variance increases the shape. What is on the x-axis? Of course, x is on the x-axis. What is on the y-axis? Can someone tell me what is on the y-axis? Okay, let me just go to... So on the x-axis is the value that is the random variable and on the y-axis is the probability density, correct? This is the probability density. What is the meaning of the probability density? Can someone tell me a little bit more? Let me just quickly go here to the PSG College of Technology. PSG College of Technology, what is on the y-axis? You are saying PDF. Can you explain a little more? What is the meaning? What do you mean by PDF? Is it the probability?
No, sir, it's not the probability.
It's not the probability, correct. It's the probability density, right? What is the meaning of probability density? Can you explain it to me?
Sir, if you are given a range, you can find the probability that X will be in this range by integrating the curves.
Correct. So what is the probability density? The probability density is nothing but if you take a small interval of dx, if you take a small interval of length dx, then f of x into dx is the probability that it lies in the small interval of length dx. That is, f of x is not the probability. Correct? Correct, PSG College? F of x is not the probability. F of x into dx is the probability that it lies in the small interval of length dx. Correct? Is that correct? Is that what you are trying to say? Is that fine?
Okay, sir.
Is that fine? Oxford College of Engineering, let me just come back to them. Let me see if they are able to resolve this audio issue. Oxford, are you able to hear me? Hello? Oxford? Oxford College, are you able to hear me? No one is responding. Let me try to see if GIT is able to. GIT, are you able to see me now? Issues earlier.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
GIT, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're able to follow what I said. I'm saying about the Gaussian distribution.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now let us say y is also random variable, y is also Gaussian with mean mu equal to 0, sigma square equals half. What is the distribution of y? Can someone tell me what is the distribution? Gaussian random variable with mean mu is equal to 0 and sigma square equals half. What is the distribution of What is the expression for the distribution of y? GIT college, can someone tell me? Sorry, I'm not able to hear you. Okay, let me just go to some other college which is probably trying to start it. BMS College of Engineering. Let me just try to go to them. BMS? BMS, you had a question or you wanted to answer? No audio, not able to hear them. UIET, let me just try to go to UIET, try to see. UIET, sorry I couldn't interact with you. UIET, you have the answer? Several colleges are having audio issues. I don't know what the problem is. UIET? Okay, GEC TN. Let me go to GEC Tamil Nadu. Let's see if they are GEC. GEC, can you tell me the answer? Y is Gaussian distributed, mean zero, variance half, sigma square equals half. What is the distribution? F of y is equal to
Y equal to 1 by root of 2 pi sigma
1 by 1 by root of pi into e power minus y square. Thank you. So same as we derived for x, it is the same thing, right? Because mean is 0, sigma square equals half. The distribution of y is 1 over square root of pi e power minus y square. Thank you very much for the answer. So I got the answer, that is f of x is distributed as 1 over square root of pi e power minus x square. Y is distributed as 1 over square root of pi e power minus y square. I think BTKIT, I think they are also coming with the answer. DCRU, I did not get a chance to interact with them. Anyway, let me remain with GEC TN for some time. Now GEC, have you also heard about what is the idea of independent random variables? Can you tell me about independent random variables? What do you mean by independent random variables? Hey, go ahead please, build it a bit louder, I cannot hear what you... What is? Sorry, I'm having audio. There's some audio issues. Let me just try to go to someone else. Just try to see if someone DCRU. Let me try to see if DCRU. Can you hear me? DCRU college. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, I can hear you. Very good.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Which college is this?
Sir, Deenbandhu Choturam University.
Where is it?
Sir, it is in Bothal, Sonipat, Haryana.
Very good. So you are able to follow what I am saying about this Gaussian distribution, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if x and y are two independent random variables, what is the joint distribution of x comma y? Have you heard about independent random variables?
No, sir. No idea, sir.
No idea about independent random variables. Okay, fine. Which year are you students in?
Sir, third year.
Third year. Okay, let me just quickly go to some other college. CSPIT, I think. Let me try interacting with Raisoni College. Let me see if I'm able to establish some interaction. Raisoni, you are able to follow me? Raisoni, for independent random variables, what is the distribution, joint distribution? Let me try to see some other college, OXC, Punjab Engineering of College. let me try to see if I'm able to establish a Punjab Engineering College of University College of Technology, I think PECUT. Are you able to hear me? If x and y are independent random variables, what is the joint distribution of x and y? Can someone prompt me?
Sir, probability is sum of both the functions.
Probability of?
The sum of fx and fy.
Fx is the sum, that is what you're saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Well, fx and fy.
Well, let me just try to go to a different, it's fx, what are you saying? Fx and?
Sum of fx and fy.
Okay, but slightly incorrect. Let me just go to someone, I think Mitka College. Let me, because I've not ever interacted with, somehow I'm not able to get a video from them. I'm not able to see them, but I'm getting an approximate answer from these people. Some others are responding PSG, PSG OXCE, Oxford. Somehow I'm able, you're able to respond on chat, but I'm not able to interact with you on video. Let me try it again. OXCE, can you see me? I'm asking you a question. Can someone see me on video? You can see me? Okay, great. Can someone tell me what is the joint distribution? If x and y are independent, what is the joint distribution? Okay, PSG College is giving me the answer. Let me see if someone from OXCE can respond. What is the joint distribution? Okay, some audio issues. Let me just quickly go to, I think, TKM College Kerala. I think I did not get a chance to interact with them. TKM, let me just quickly go to TKM. Where is TKM? Just find TKM. TKM, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is the joint?
So it is a product of two PDF.
Product of the PDF.
fx of x into
Excellent.
fy of
Excellent. X and y. Somehow there is an audio feedback. Kindly please. There is an audio feedback. So if x and y are Gaussian. Sorry, I have to go back. Go out because there is some problem of audio feedback. MITK, now I am able to get you. So if x and y are independent, the joint distribution x of x comma y is the product of the marginal distributions f of x into f of y is equal to, what is it equal to? MIT, can you tell me now what is the joint distribution?
1 by pi
1 by pi
minus x square plus y square
e raised to
minus x square plus y square.
minus x square plus y square. Which college is this?
MIT.
Is this MIT in Manipal? Very good, very good, very good. Very good. So it is 1 over pi e raised to minus x square plus x square plus y square. Okay, so that is the joint distribution. Now what are we saying is the following thing. Let me summarize. I think everyone is hearing me. See, we said h is equal to x plus jy, which is the fading coefficient. What we are saying is if x is the real part of the fading coefficient and y is the imaginary part of the fading coefficient, then the joint distribution, and if x and y are Gaussian, x and y can be modeled as Gaussian because they are the sum of a large number of independent components, then the joint distribution of xy is 1 over pi e power minus x square plus y square. Everyone following me so far? Manipal, everyone following me?
Yes, sir.
The joint distribution is 1 over pi e power minus x square plus y square. Thank you. Now what I am going to do is I am going to do something slightly different. What I am going to do, see, in this writing it in this form of joint distribution of x and y is not very meaningful because I am not interested in real and imaginary. I am interested in the magnitude and phase of the fading region, because phase will determine what is the phase of the signal, and the magnitude will determine what is the power or attenuation of the signal. So I am going to write H is equal to A e to the power of j phi, which means what is A? A is equal to, which is equal to x plus jy. So can someone tell me what is the expression for A? In amplitude, what is the expression for A? Manipal?
Root of x square plus y square. Thank
you. Square root of x square plus y square. Thank you. And what is the expression for phi? The phase phi is equal to
y by x. Tan inverse y by x.
tan inverse of y by x. Thank you very much. I got the answer. Thank you very much. Let me just try to go to someone else, start an interaction with someone else to see if they are able to follow. GCT, I think GCT already, GEC I have not interacted with them. Let me just quickly go to them. GEC KL, is this Government College of Engineering Kerala? Are you able to hear me? I think there are some issues, not able to interact with them. GIT, GEC Tamil Nadu, GEC ABD, I am not able to interact with them. GEC ABD, which college is this?
Sir, it's Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad.
Aurangabad. Are you able to follow what I am saying in terms of the amplitude and phase of the fading coefficient?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So A is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Phi is equal to tan inverse phi of x. Now I want to develop distribution for A and phi. I want to develop PDF, density. For A, phi. Now, of course, I am not going to go into the details here because the actual derivation, I don't have time to do the actual derivation. But it can be shown that the density F of A, is given as 2A e to the power of minus A square. That is, if x and y are distributed, I'm sorry, I'm getting a feedback. I have to go away from here because, sorry, GCABD, I'm getting a feedback, so I'll try to go away from start an interaction with a different this thing, MU Jaipur. MU JPR, are you able to hear me? RBC, are you able to hear me? You're able to follow what I'm saying? The distribution of the amplitude A. What is the distribution of the amplitude of A? Not able to hear you. What is that? Can you repeat it? What is that? Sorry, not able to follow it completely. Let me just go to PSG College of Technology. PSG, what is the distribution of the amplitude? Rayleigh, that is the name. What is the expression? 2A e to the power of minus A square. And as you have rightly pointed out, this is known as the Rayleigh distribution. What is that? Can you repeat it, what you said?
Rayleigh distribution.
This is the Rayleigh distribution. That is correct. When the real and imaginary parts are distributed as independent Gaussian random variables, the amplitude is distributed as a Rayleigh random variable. That is correct. I think MIT also coming up with the answer. So this is distributed as Rayleigh random variable. Therefore, the fading channel is also known as the Rayleigh. This fading channel is also known as the Rayleigh fading channel. So this is also known as the Rayleigh Thank you. This is also known as the Rayleigh fading channel. Why is this known as the Rayleigh fading channel? Because the amplitude is Rayleigh distributed. Let me just go to BC. Let me see if there is no BC is not able to publish video. BMS College of Engineering. BMS College of Engineering. Can you hear me? Okay, BMS College of Engineering, I think there are also some issues. I don't know if they're able to hear me. MIT, I'm getting your question about Raytheon and I'll answer that later. I got your question about the Raytheon distribution. CSPIT, I did not get a chance to interact with them. Let me just start an interaction. CSPIT, I'm not getting the video. I cannot interact, unfortunately. GEC Kerala, again there were some issues. GIT, let me just quickly go back to GIT to see if they are following. GIT, are you able to follow what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So what is the Rayleigh distribution? Why is this known as the Rayleigh fading wireless channel?
Because of the Rayleigh variables.
Because of the amplitude which follows the Rayleigh distribution, that is the Rayleigh fading channel. And further, the quantity phi, remember the quantity phi is the phase. The quantity phi is independently uniformly distributed in minus pi to 2 pi. This distribution is 1 over 2 pi in minus pi, that is minus pi less than or equal to phi less than pi. Everyone is able to follow what I am writing? The distribution of phi is f of phi is equal to 1 by 2 pi minus pi less than or equal to pi less than or equal to pi. Therefore, the distribution of the phase phi, which is uniformly distributed, looks as follows. Everyone able to follow? What is the distribution? What is the uniform distribution? GIT College, are you familiar with the uniform distribution?
No,
Are
sir.
you able to follow the uniform distribution?
No, sir.
You are not familiar with the uniform distribution, but are you able to follow what I am saying? Somehow I lost connection with GIT. KNMU, did I interact with KNMU?
या प्रोजेक्टर को 2 मिनट ऑन करके छोड़ दो रिमोट से
चलो अभी तो लिख लो
KNMU college, are you able to see and hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow what I am saying so far?
Yes, sir.
It is Rayleigh fading wireless channel and the phase is distributed uniformly in minus pi to pi. And further, the phase and amplitude are independent. Actually, for Rayleigh fading wireless channel, it can be shown that the phase and amplitude are independent. Therefore, what is the joint distribution of f of a comma phi? Can someone tell me what is the joint distribution? See, we said the amplitude as Rayleigh distribution, phase as uniformly distributed, and if phase and amplitude are independently distributed, what is the joint distribution? Can someone answer me? What is the joint distribution? Can any college prompt me what is the joint distribution? Okay, BMS College of Engineering, let me try to go to you, see if I can establish some audio connection and audio video. Yeah, but probably there is no audio, some audio problem from your side. Okay, let me just MIT again, it's coming up with the answer. Let me just go back to BIT, Bipin Tripathi. Let me just try to get the answer from you. Bipin Tripathi, are you able to follow my question? I have to multiply it, right? Multiply the distributions. What will I get when I multiply the distributions? 1 over 2 pi times 2a e power minus a square. What will I get when I multiply?
Yes, sir.
What will I get when I multiply?
A by pi
A by pi
e to the power minus a square.
E to the power minus a square.
A by pi e to the power of minus a square. Thank you very much. So this is the joint distribution of a and pi. So what we have learned today is very interesting, that if the real and imaginary parts are generated as independent Gaussian variables of the wireless channel fading coefficient, then the amplitude is Rayleigh distributed and the phase is uniform in minus pi to pi. Let me just go to TKM Kerala, try to see if they have been able to resolve that audio issue. Try to TKM, I'm getting a feedback in my earpiece. That is what is causing the problem. Are you able to follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
So this is the Rayleigh fading wireless. This is the Rayleigh fading wireless channel. In fact, there is something interesting. Let me end with a question. We have simple question. Because we have to solve problems, right? Can you tell me what is the problem? Everyone. This is not a question. This is not a TK, only to TK. Everyone. All the colleges. See, we have the fading. I have to go back because I am getting some feedback from here. Let me go to MIT. Let me just try to see what they are saying. See, we have this fading channel distribution, which is f of a. Now my question to all colleges is the following. Can someone prompt me for the answer? F of a equals 2a e to the power of minus a square. Can someone tell me what is the probability that the channel attenuation is greater than minus 20 dB? Is the question clear? That the wireless channel attenuation, that is channel quality, is poorer than attenuation greater than minus 20 dB. Attenuation greater than minus 20 dB in the sense, or let me write it this way to avoid any confusion. Let me write it this way. Let me write a wireless channel amplitude less than or wireless channel power less than minus 20 dB. Can everyone hear my question? So I am asking a question. Let me try to see if someone can. Let me just try to go to college, try to see if what is the probability. MIT 0 is not the answer. Let me just try to go to MIT, try to see. Unfortunately, I am not able to establish a video interaction with them now for some reason. GCT, which college is GCT? Let me just try to see if GCT I can interact with them. GCT, this is now GCT. Let me just try to solve the problem along with you. See, I'm asking a question. What is the probability that the power, that the received power is less than minus 20 dB? Now, if power is minus 20 dB, how do I convert minus 20 dB to linear? Minus 20 dB, this is decibel value, right? What is the linear value?
Log of
10 log power, right? 10
log base
10 log power equals
minus
minus 20. Therefore, power equals
10 power e power
10
minus
hang on, let's not go to, it's not E, what is this? This is 10 log to the base 10 decibel, right? This is 10 log to the base 10. Therefore power is equal to
10 power minus 20.
no, not 10 power minus 20. Please be more careful in evaluating it. What is it? Look at this. There is a factor of 10. 10 log power to the base 10 is equal to minus 20. So power is equal to Can anyone tell me the answer?
Power minus 2.
Power is equal to 10 power minus 2, right? 10 power minus 2 is equal to 10 power minus 2 is equal to point. Now amplitude is A. Therefore what is the power? Can you tell me what is the power? Amplitude is A. If amplitude is A, what is the power? Power is nothing but A square, right? A square? Is that fine? So Oxford College is coming up with the answer. Power is A square. So A square, so we are saying power is less than point. So A square is less than or equal to 0.01, which means A is less than or equal to, A is not equal to, we are saying power is less than or equal to minus 20, which means A is less than or equal to BTKIT. I think it has the correct answer. Power is less than or equal to 0.1. Now can someone tell me what is the probability that A is less than or equal to 0.1? Let me go to GIT. GIT, I think they want to start an interaction. GIT, now we are saying A is less than or equal to 0.1. What is the probability that A is less than or equal to 0.1? Can someone tell me what is the answer? How can I come up with the probability that A is less than or equal to 0.1? Any college, if you have the answer, please prompt me. What is the probability that A is less than or equal to point? Any college, if you have the answer, then prompt me. VCAP, okay, VCAP, let me just quickly go to VCAP, start an interaction. VCAP, first, how do I get the answer? What is the probability A is less than or equal to 0.1? VCAP, you have the answer? Okay, MIT, sorry, I don't have enough time. Let me just try to interact with a few people. VCAP, I'm not able to interact. Here, MIT wants to interact, so let me just go quickly to MIT. MIT, what is the answer? How do I get the answer? Not able to get audio from MIT. Sorry, MIT, not able to get audio. Can you prompt in the chat? How do I get the answer?
Integral minus infinity to 0.1.
Integral minus infinity, not minus infinity. A is less than or equal to 0.1. So it is integral. See, A is the amplitude. See, A cannot be negative. A can only be positive. Na? I'm getting what you're saying, minus infinity. But A is only defined from 0 to infinity. So integral 0 to
0.1.
0 to 0.1. Excellent. 0 to 0.1.
2a raised to minus a square dA.
2a e raised to minus a square dA. Thank you. Very good. So e raised. So why are you doing this? Can you explain briefly why do we have to do this? Why are you integrating? Why are you integrating? Can you just explain the reason behind this?
To find the probability.
To find the probability, you are integrating the probability density function 2a e to the power of minus a square. Now can you complete it? What is the answer to this integral? Can you evaluate it? 2a e to the power of minus e square is easy to evaluate the integral, right? Can someone prompt me the answer? TKM Kerala, can you prompt me the answer? TKM, what is the answer? TKM, what is the answer?
Sir, we don't get the answer.
2a e to the power of minus 2a e to the power of minus a square. What is the integral? What is the integral? SMIT, I think. SMIT, do you have the answer? SMIT. What is the integral of 2a e to the power of minus a square?
9.95 into 10 to the power minus 3.
That is fine, but what is the integral of 2a e to the power of minus a square? SMIT. PSG College of Technology, what is the integral 2a e to the power of minus a square? 2a e to the power of minus a square, what is the integral? Minus e? E power? Minus a square, correct, exactly, minus a square between the limit 0 and 0.1, and therefore what is the answer? The answer is 1 minus e power minus 0.01, and therefore what is the answer? 0. Can you be a bit louder please? 0. Someone respond on the chat please. 00 00995. Got it. Thank you. So the answer is the probability that the power is less than minus 3 dB is 0.00995. I think that is what some other person also said. 9.95 into 10 power minus 3 VCAP. Yeah, thank you. Several people answered it. Thank you very much. I got it. So this has been a very fruitful interaction. So what we did today is we modeled the fading channel as a Rayleigh fading random variable, right, as Gaussian, independent Gaussian and real and imaginary components. We derived the distribution for the amplitude, which is very interesting. We said it is Rayleigh, the distribution of the phase, and now we can see how we can use it to actually practically compute some interesting aspects, such as what is the received power, what is the probability of a received power, what is the probability, and so on and so forth. Alright, so this is only the beginning. We are going to start with here and explore these ideas much further in the next lectures. Thank you MIT KA and TChem KL. I think you want to interact. I don't have time because it's already 9:05. We will again continue this in the next lecture. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
Yeah.